Welcome to Chain Train, your source for the latest in the crypto world. In this episode, we discuss Russia's proposed crypto restrictions, its use of digital assets in oil trade, and Bitcoin's rising stress ratio. We also cover WazirX's custody shift, Mumbai's crypto fraud, and how wealthy investors are shaping adoption in the US. Stay tuned for all the key updates in the fast moving world of cryptocurrency. The Russian central bank has proposed restricting cryptocurrency transactions to wealthy individuals with assets over 100 M rubles, $1.2 million, or an annual income above 50 M rubles, $580K. Only especially qualified investors, including banks and financial institutions, would be allowed to trade digital assets. The bank argues that crypto is volatile and lacks state backing. The proposal also includes banning crypto transactions between residents, though ownership remains legal. Russia has taken steps to regulate digital assets, legalizing mining in 2024 and introducing a crypto tax in 2025 amid sanctions and financial restrictions. Russia is using cryptocurrency in oil trade with China and India to bypass Western sanctions, Reuters reported on March 14th. While crypto transactions remain a small part of Russia's $192 billion oil trade, their use is growing. Chinese and Indian buyers pay intermediaries in yuan or rupees, which are converted into Bitcoin, Ethereum, or Tether before being exchanged for rubles in Russia. Sources suggest Russia will continue using digital currencies in energy trade even if sanctions are lifted due to their speed and flexibility. Meanwhile, China's state oil firms are reducing Russian crude purchases over US sanctions concerns. Bitcoin's supply stress ratio has risen to 0.23, the highest since September, indicating increased market stress, according to Glassnode. This metric measures the proportion of BTC supply held at a loss with values above 0.2, historically signaling heightened stress. Recent bearish price action has led to more holders being underwater as BTC trades below the average acquisition price of loss-making investors. While Bitcoin has stabilized around $83,000, further declines could push the ratio higher, reinforcing negative market sentiment. Analysts suggest monitoring this trend for potential broader market shifts. Bitcoin fell 1% to $82,415 ahead of the US Federal Reserve's policy meeting on March 18th, 19, as traders remained cautious. The Fed is expected to keep rates steady but maintain a hawkish stance amid economic uncertainties, potentially reducing Bitcoin's appeal as a hedge. Higher borrowing costs and risk aversion have weighed on crypto demand. Meanwhile, Canary Capital filed for an ETF based on Sui's spot price, marking its sixth crypto ETF attempt. Most altcoins also declined, with Ethereum steady at $1,895, while others dropped 1.7%-3.5%, tracking Bitcoin's weakness. WazirX has appointed Zodia Custody as its official custodian ahead of its operational restart. Backed by Standard Chartered, Northern Trust, and SBI Holdings, Zodia will provide secure asset management solutions. Managing Director Zain Suran emphasized compliance and institutional-grade security, while WazirX co-founder Nishal Shetty highlighted the importance of reliable custody partners for trust and confidence. Zodia Custody, accredited with SOC 1 Type 1 and 2 certifications, ensures strict asset separation to prevent co-mingling, reinforcing security and regulatory compliance for WazirX users. A Grayscale investment survey reveals that wealthy Americans are driving crypto adoption in the US. Conducted by the Harris poll, it found that 26% of individuals with at least $1 million in investable assets own cryptocurrency, higher than the national average of 21%. Among high net worth individuals, 38% expect to include crypto in their portfolios, with younger investors showing more interest. Geopolitical tensions, inflation, and a weakening dollar have drawn 36% of HNWIs to crypto, while 34% were influenced by the approval of spot Bitcoin ETFs. Grayscale sees increasing mainstream adoption among affluent investors. Mumbai's Malad police have registered an FIR against 5 men for a INR 34 lakh cryptocurrency and forex scam. The accused, Ravi Mahashat, Dilip Malap, Mohammad Rafiq Rajiv Singh, and Abhishek Sahu, lured investors with promises of an 18% return. Victim Rishikesh Junarkar invested between 2021 and 2025 but was unable to withdraw funds for 20 months. Investigations revealed a bogus company using fake returns and a worthless virtual currency to deceive investors. The case is filed under cheating and criminal breach of trust sections of the Bharatiya Nyaya Sanhita. That's a wrap for today's Chain Train. From Russia's crypto crackdown to Bitcoin's stress signals, the market is evolving fast. Stay updated, stay cautious, and don't miss our next episode for more deep dives into crypto's biggest trends.